And we had said minimum target should be the 39, and the possibility of coming down and testing our 38s, 37.75 is the angel from the other day. This is all the unauctioned territory, and this breakdown telegraphs when it stalls right here, the lower high, it stalls and then comes out the bottom. Then that tells you it usually will want to come down and finish in minimum target we had today on this completion drive. Minimum was 39.25 and then a 35.25. So realistically, this is splitting that difference. And I believe if you get into the 38s, we've done well, just like we said the other day. We need to be very careful about this. This was supportive. So we're coming back down to test support. Don't know whether we'll wash this one out or not. Put this one on a 30. Get a little bit in bigger perspective. So this is the horseshoe shape, and so far this has conformed beautifully to the idea of this unauctioned territory that needs to be retested. And I said a few minutes ago that we had a balance target at 37.5. Here it is. When we come out the bottom of that ID low, we already know that the potential to come back down and test into the 37s, 38s is there. And it's a matter of managing trailers. You know, if you're reading the chart. And we still have our inside bar. This is a beautiful example of a higher high. Come back hard, overnight, not sure, and then all of a sudden this afternoon it comes back. And again, you know, I've missed some time today, don't have all the news, never have the TV on, have no clue what's being said right now, just reading charts. I never turn the TV on. And when I do, occasionally, like FOMC or something like that, it's on mute. I never even hear what they're talking about. Second target here today. On this side is 37.5, and then anything beyond this is gravy because this was the last support low. And the flyer is taking this guy out, right? Because that was the last low that held 36.5. So target 2 is 35.25. Don't know if we'll get that or not. I'm convinced we've already had a great day. And if you read this correct, this turn right here is what has all these traders now who are, you know, gung-ho, now ripping underwater. So I consider target achieved at this. This is a double, one way or the other. And now anything, because we're starting to get ahead of ourselves. And it's in the afternoon, so we want to start to think, okay, shorts are in control until proven otherwise. And it's very important now not to let go of what you had. We still don't have an angel for the day, but we're going to be looking for one. We can go to any day low in this kind of a move. And then we look for a snapback. Be careful about a snapback when we're done. So this is at 36.5. This last point right here, step by step. You're not going to beat this. You already know. Once you learn to do this without moving averages and just see the important turning points, you already know the major neighborhood that you're looking for. So anything beyond this is purely gravy. Anybody that's going to buy it now, better have something in your pocket to finance this bounce. And in my opinion, this is a great auctioning of this whole territory that was unauctioned. This move from the other day. Go back and look at it. Right from here, this thing starts over here at night. Comes back up and holds on to traders for FOMC. And then today we get the payback. Beautiful trade. Absolutely beautiful. And if you go flat here and you got this kind of a move, you don't have to do anything. When the market is moving is when you want to be there. Simple as that. So big support target in here has been tested one time, 37. And a reminder, we're still making a higher low than we were previously. And you want to respect that idea when you're peeling out. And if you give it another bang, on a bounce, that's up to you. We'll put this on a 5. And just by knowing the primary target area, it already helps you to peel out. You can see it start to dry up. That was the magnet right there. And if you do a reversal, if you're a reversal type trader where you take profits and you reverse, sometimes you're better off to give it a little time just to settle out. You may miss the exact low if that's the low, but you don't get messed up because it takes time usually to just absorb that move. Lock something. Lock something. Beautiful trade. Absolutely beautiful. There's that triangle we had talked about before. And in my opinion, as Verneman said, there's 45. That's still the fighting line, right? Held you, squeezed you, came back today, said, okay, we're all right, we're all right, we're all right. Boom. Back again. Good pattern. This is a nice pattern because it shows better balance than just the one-way trading. And this is typical of that idea of one-way trading. Thinking it's got to just go straight up. Not sure if the low is in or not, but primary target was at 37. So we get another pass down below it, and that's good fortune. Still not sure if the low is in or not. We've got some time, but I am willing to say that's the right place to take profits.